Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start the topic magnets and magnetic materials. Have you ever wondered why some objects stick to a magnet while others don't? In this lesson, we will learn what magnetic materials are, which metals are magnetic, and the difference between a magnet and a magnetic materials. So let's get started. 5.5 Magnets and Magnetic Materials. Introduction. What type of magnets are in the picture? The magnets in the pictures are bar magnets. What do the N and S on the magnets show? The N and S on the magnets show the north and south poles of the magnets. Complete the sentences about what is shown in the pictures. When two like poles come close to each other, the magnets repel each other. When two unlike poles come close to each other, the magnets attract each other. Which of the following materials is magnetic? Iron is magnet. What are magnetic materials? Magnetic materials are materials that are attracted to a magnet. Fridge magnets stick to a fridge because the fridge is made from a magnetic materials. You already know that some metals objects are attracted to a magnet, but non-metals like plastic and wood are not attracted to a magnet. Which metals are magnet? Some metals are precious, such as silver, gold, and platinum. None of these metals is magnetic. Some of the metals that we use in everyday life are iron, steel, aluminum, copper, and chromium. Often things are made from a mixture of metals. A mixture of metals is called an alloy. For example, steel is an alloy made mainly from iron. It is much stronger than iron. We use steel to make machines, steel pipes, and bridges. Chromium is mixed with steel to make an alloy called stainless steel. Stainless steel does not rust. It is used in many objects such as knives, sinks, and medical instruments. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. We use brass to make door handles and ornaments. If you hold a magnet next to an object and you can feel the pulling force of the magnet, the object is attracted to the magnet. This means the object is made of magnetic material. You are going to test some metals and alloys to see if they are magnetic or not. Remember that if the object is made from alloy, you will be testing more than one metal at the same time. What is the difference between a magnet and a magnetic material? A magnet is a material that has an area around it where magnetic force is active. We can't see this area. In this area, a magnet can attract or repel other magnets and it can attract a magnetic material. A magnetic material does not have an area around it where magnetic force is active, like a magnet does. So a magnetic material cannot attract another magnetic material as you discovered in question 5 above. A magnetic material can only be attracted to a magnet when it is in the magnet's area of magnetic force. Industry can use the fact that a magnet attracts magnetic materials. This photograph shows a very strong magnet moving crushed cars on a scrap heap. The magnet attracts the steel parts of the car and leaves behind the plastic and glass. Activity. Name two magnetic metals. Iron and nickel are two magnetic metals. How can you test they are magnetic? Bring a magnet close. If it attracts, it's magnetic. Name two non-magnetic metals. Copper and aluminum. How can you test if they are non-magnetic? Bring a magnet close. If there is no attraction, they are non-magnetic. Are the two non-magnetic metals you chose attracted to each other? Explain why or why not. No. Copper and aluminum are not attracted to each other because they are non-magnetic. Name a non-magnetic alloy. Brass. Do you have a magnet at home, such as a fridge magnet? Use a magnet to carry out these tests. Yes, I have a fridge magnet at home. Find at least three examples of objects you use at home that are made of metals. Which metals are they made from? Spoon, made of stainless steel. Fork, made of stainless steel. Key, made of iron and steel. Use a magnet to test whether these objects are magnetic or not. Spoon, the magnet sticks to it, so it is magnetic. Fork, the magnet sticks to it, so it is magnetic. Key, the magnet sticks to it, so it is magnetic. Record your information in a table. Object, metal type, magnetic. Spoon, stainless steel, yes. Fork, stainless steel, yes. Key, iron or steel, yes. Suggest how magnets can be used for sorting used steel cans and aluminum cans so that they can be recycled separately. Magnets attract steel cans because they are magnetic, while aluminum cans are not affected and remain separate. So we learned that magnetic materials are attracted to magnets but do not produce their own magnetic field. Only a few metals like iron, nickel are magnets. Magnets create their own force while magnetic materials only respond to them. This knowledge helps us understand how magnets are used in daily life and technology. That's all for today's lesson on magnets and magnetic materials. I hope you enjoyed learning with me. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comments. See you in the next video. Keep learning. Allah Hafiz.